A lifted truck is a powerful and impressive truck. This ride offers special advantages due to the body sitting higher off the ground than with a conventional design. Knowing the fundamentals of lifted trucks can help you pick the one that best suits your demands and budget if you're in the market for one. You can even buy different designs of lifted trucks directly from the factory. But with the growing popularity of lifted trucks, you may wonder which of these vehicles will be right for you. There are many things to consider before buying a lifted truck. We are here today to help you buy the right quality lifted truck. Hello friends, today we will discuss 8 things to know before buying a lifted truck. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 8. Check the drive shaft and rear transmission shaft. First and foremost, it's crucial to check the drive shaft and rear transmission shaft after installing either a spacer or a suspension raise to make sure that the increased angle generated by the lift kit hasn't already put too much strain on the steel. In some instances, it can lead to drive shaft failure by bending or fracturing the boot, which will cause oil to escape and put a lot of pressure on the internal ball bearings. It's a sign that the lift kit hasn't put too much wear into the vital internals if the truck you find appears to have a drive shaft and transmission in good condition. In this case, the truck is probably a good investment. Number 7. Make sure the tires are properly fitted. Checking that the tires are the proper size and aren't too worn down is the second thing to do, and it should be simple to do with a quick scan. A lifted truck should often have larger tires installed so that it can handle rough roads and its new center of gravity. It's a good idea to be sure that the tires will last a while once you drive your new ride off the lot, because lifting a truck can cause wear on the tires to occur more quickly, and large wheels are going to be more expensive. Number 6. Make sure the vehicle history report is accurate. Also, if you can, obtain the repair history. To ensure that the car is ready for test drives and new buyers, dealers keep records of the work they've done. Looking at the maintenance record can give you a good idea of what's already been done to the truck, as well as what you might need to look out for in the future. Acquiring this should be an easy and quick process when purchasing any used automobile, but getting it for a lifted truck will be particularly crucial. Number 5. Having warranty service done. Considering that the lifted truck you purchased from a dealership comes with a warranty, you may be wondering where to take it for warranty servicing or any other type of maintenance. Remember that elevated trucks are not commonly used by mechanics. This is because they are less frequent than other types of vehicles. When making repairs or providing services, this unfamiliarity may result in blunders, or it can result in the mechanic in question failing to see a possible problem that an expert in raised vehicles would immediately recognize. As a result, you ought to always take your lifted truck to a mechanic with knowledge of lifted trucks. Number 4. Gas mileage. Lift kits by themselves do not significantly affect fuel economy. Suspension lift kits, however, may add additional weight. The choice of tires may result in a decrease in fuel efficiency. Larger, heavier tires are frequently added after a truck has been lifted. All of this weight gain and resistance elevation require more fuel. Number 3. Make sure you can park the truck and you have space in your garage. You have to make sure that you can park the lifted truck properly and that your garage has enough space to fit in. It's difficult enough to park a large vehicle. Parking becomes more difficult if you raise it by 6 or 8 inches. You must ascertain how tall a vehicle will fit in your garage if covered parking is crucial. Further, if your community has a homeowner association, HOA, those regulations can apply to elevated trucks. Number 2. Rules and regulations. Speaking of regulations, your state can have limits regulating the height of a lifted truck's headlights and bumper. If you don't intend to tow your lifted truck to off-roading locations, the truck shouldn't be taller than what is permitted by law in your state. Number 1. Make sure this lifted truck doesn't need other modifications or upgrades. The final steps needs to show you a few exciting items you might discover about a lifted truck. since being able to drive places and do things that a car wouldn't be able to handle is an important part of having one. New or enhanced equipment is a terrific thing to see in a lifted truck. Additionally, it might be very thrilling to see steps, new tires, or engine modifications on a car that you plan to use on rocky roads and other challenging terrain of roaders, drivers on rough terrain, and anybody else looking to get home in a vehicle that stands out from the crowd may consider purchasing used lifted trucks. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.